Assalamu alaikum my dear students. I hope you are all okay. We are continuing chapter geometry. It's day 3, lecture 3. I want to draw now a 60-degree angle. For that, I am drawing a straight line with the ruler. Then placing the center of the protector on the 0 edge along the straight line. I am start counting with 0 and stopping at 60 degree and marking that point. By ruler I am adding these 2 points. This is an 60-degree angles. Let's measure. Yes, this is an 60-degree angle. So, this angle is 60 degree. Now, I want to draw 130-degree angle. For that, I am again drawing a line. Then placing the protector, start counting from 0 to 130, marking 130 degree. Adding these 2 points. We got 130-degree angle. Let's measure. This is a 130-degree angle. Now I am going to discuss about exercise. First question is, draw the following angles. You have to draw the given angles. Here is the answer pattern. Like this, you have to write your answer. Some important talks. Careful about choosing scale and don't forget to write angle sign. No more today. Thank you very much.